In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners in Google Slides. First, open Google Slides in your browser so you land on the main Slides homepage. That's the dashboard where you can see all your recent work. From there, look for the section labeled Recent Presentations and click it to reveal the files you've worked on lately. Find the presentation you want to edit and click it to open. This brings you into the editor where you can make changes to your slides. Inside your presentation, click the image whose corners you want to round. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline and resize handles around it. If you don't see the image tools at the top, click the image once more to make sure it's selected. Now shift your attention to the toolbar at the top. You're looking for the Mask Image control. It sits next to the crop button and looks like a small shape icon with a drop-down arrow. This feature lets you apply a shape mask to your image without permanently changing the picture itself. Click the Mask Image button to open the menu. A panel of shape categories will appear. Choose the category labeled Shape to reveal the basic shapes you can mask your image into. Among those options, select the rounded shape, specifically the rounded rectangle. Click the rounded rectangle to apply it immediately to your image. Your image now takes on a rounded rectangle mask, giving it smooth, modern corners while keeping the rest of the image intact. If you want the corners more or less curved, look for the small yellow diamond handle on the shape's corner. Dragging it inward increases the roundness. Dragging it outward makes the corners subtler. If you don't see the handle, click the image once to ensure it's selected. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if the mask image icon is grayed out, select the image again. Masking only appears when an image is active. You can still reposition or resize the image after masking. Drag the edges to scale it, or double-click to adjust the crop within the rounded shape if needed. The mask remains in place while you fine-tune the framing. That's all there is to it. Open Google Slides, pick your presentation from Recent, select your image, click Mask Image on the toolbar, choose Shape, and apply the rounded rectangle. It's a clean, non-destructive way to get rounded corners that look great in presentations, thumbnails, and templates. Try matching the corner roundness across all images in a deck for a cohesive design, and you'll have polished slides in minutes.